Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how you can convert a black and white image into a colorful image with the help of Photoshop's neural filter. Neural filters are a set of filters that use machine learning to simplify complicated workflows. They are really easy to use and can save you a lot of time. So without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. Let's load up several black and white images to work on. You must first click the Filter tab and then select the Neural filter to access its control panel. If you are a first-hand user or opened the Neural filter panel for the first time, then you have to download the Neural filters from the Adobe Cloud. I have already done that. Any filter with a cloud icon next to it must be downloaded from the cloud before you may use it for the first time. To download each filter, simply click on the cloud symbol. Click on this Colorize toggle button to automatically color the image. You can see that, despite being a black and white image, the Adobe AI provides an almost natural skin tone for this portrait. You can even apply different color profiles to get variable outputs. Let's take another example. When colorized, it either misses color or adjacent color seeps into some areas. For that, what you have to do is scroll down and come to this Output option and select Output as New Color Layer. Then click OK. The color will be applied in the form of a separate layer with the blending mode set to color. So pick up the brush tool, make its hardness 0%, make the opacity 100%, or you can use a brush with a little less opacity. It all depends on your needs. Create a new blank layer so that you can apply the correction non-destructively. Change its blending mode to color. Now press the Alt button. As you can see, the brush tool changes into a color picker tool. Using this, pick the color of the skin and paint over the hand. There is some discoloration on the dress too. So pick up the blue color from here and paint over this portion of the dress. You can even selectively choose a color to colorize an image. Let's open another image. Switch to Colorize. Then turn off the Auto Color image. As you hover your cursor on the original image preview, you can see it change into a hair cross. Click on the specific area you want to colorize. As soon as you click, Photoshop asks which color you want to apply to that area. Select the color and click OK. The color is applied partially to the image. You can go on clicking on the other parts of the image. By default, it will apply the previously used color. Or you can duplicate the point by holding the Alt key and dragging it to your desired area. If you want to change the color of a certain point, then select that point and click on this color box to change it into some other color. Hope you liked this tutorial. Hit like and comment below if you have any questions regarding this topic. For more Photoshop tutorials, please subscribe to the channel. I have provided a link to my previously uploaded Photoshop tutorials.